G Squad, what's happening with y'all? Baby Tall Guy back with another video, man. Listen, same day, different video, man. We did a lot of legendary stuff today. We drove a 488, bam, right there. And now we are hopping in my brother's Hellcat, the Bloody Cat. We got a lot of different things we about to do, man, so make sure y'all stay tuned throughout this video. And go subscribe to my brother's YouTube channel. What's your YouTube channel called again?
It's right there on the
thing. When some people need glasses, brother, they might not be able to see it. What is it?
It's Life of Jeremy Barrett.
The Life of Jeremy Barrett, man. And right now we are currently at Platinum, man. That's where we got this 488 from. Stay tuned for the next review where I'm doing that 4x4 G-Wagon. I've been wanting to do those for a very long time. Those are very legendary whips right there, man. But make sure y'all go there and check out the websites. All the info will be in the description below. As you can see, they do car rentals, pictures car, they got chauffeur service, sales and leasing, man. The list goes on and on and on. And make sure when y'all come here, y'all holler at my guy Harry. Real cool, down-to-earth dude. Ain't gonna sweat you, ain't gonna press you. Just a real legendary dude, real down-to-earth guy, man. Make sure y'all rock with him, most definitely. And his number will be in the description below as well, so make sure you add that. Anything else you want to tell him, brother?
Stay tuned, y'all.
Well, let's get to the point of the video then.
Right.
You gotta let him hear the Bloody Cat, brother. You got to hear that thing. That thing sound good. Damn, I missed the Hellcat, baby. Look at everybody over here at RDB. They like, who the hell is that? They ain't never seen this one. Look at me, unimpressed. Let me get out and show him it's me. They probably like, man, I gotta kick this motherfucker out of here. Vic, what's up, baby? I got a new Hellcat. Yeah, I got a new Hellcat, man. You ain't seem too impressed. What's happening, baby? But two now. No, I was playing. That's my brother. This is Hellcat. Hey, Vic, you know RDB. You watch them too. You know, but yeah, the Bloody Cat right there. So we got plans for that.
Yeah, that's a team right there.
The parts for the Hellcat. Yeah, oh, yeah, you caught that one. Yeah, come on now. Yeah, we're gonna need to get that done. I know, bro. You like these rims better or your original rims on your Hellcat? I ain't gonna lie, I like these designs better, but it's your car though. You know what I said? Them is hard. And then you'd have, you know, because you need new tires anyway, right? So just take the tires off this joint. Take the tires. These are all 4 brand new tires. Damn, that's hella loud. And you got those other ones that I gave you, those other drag radios and the other set of rims I gave you. So those will match up. You have 6 of those same rims. Come on, brother. You got a thing, baby. Yeah.
I'm more thinking about it.
Okay, well, what about this though? Like all the extra stuff like the headers and the border attack exhaust. I mean, you might as well go ahead and cop all that. It's all up under there still, brother. Yeah, it's still there. Oh yeah, and the carbon fiber drive shaft too.
I think it'll all work, bro.
I think it will too, because it's built on the same chassis, right? So it should be all like the same measurements, right? So you get the carbon fiber drive shaft, you get the long tube headers, you get the full exhaust, the border attack joint, and then, I mean, you already got the leg maker coder intake. We got the pulley. You want the pulley? Yeah. Take the pulley off. Yeah, and I mean, that's pretty. Oil catch can. Oh yeah, definitely need an oil catch can. Yeah, because that don't come on the car anyway, so it ain't like it's gonna be missing nothing. Yup, need that.
The wider belt, right?
Yeah, oh yeah, so you gotta take the belt with it. See, you a big engineer brain. I wouldn't even never thought about that. So you gonna get 4 brand new tires. What's up, my man? How you been, baby? Okay, man. You heard what happened to the Hellcat? They totaled it out, man. I know, man. It's all right. You know, we going. It's God's plan, man. We'll be all right. We'll see y'all in 1 minute. Anything you want to add to him, Jeremy?
Stay tuned, baby.
Big stay tuned alert. So the people are coming to pick up the Hellcat tomorrow, right? And I just noticed, like, this is the user guide when I first bought my Hellcat, and I never even opened this. Ain't that crazy, y'all? Man, I got all this other stuff in here too. So window sticker, I still got the window sticker. Look, that's crazy. Wow. Let's see, $70,975, man. Yeah, that's nuts. Damn, they tell you got ribs. I remember that. That's crazy. Radar detector and all that stuff. Man, it's the last time seeing the Hellcat key. This is just a little protector, but the original red Hellcat key. Damn. Oh yeah, we definitely can't forget this. My mom got that for me. Look, mom's guardian angel, please travel safe. She's always worried about me when I was driving the Hellcat. So this is what we're gonna do. So we just found out we don't want to take none of that stuff off the Hellcat because the insurance people pretty much, right?
Yeah, pretty much. They're gonna come pick up the car. There's no time to really take anything off, but they came to pictures. They know what the car looks like, what it's got on there. So right now, removing parts before they pick it up is not the right move. So we're just gonna let it go as is, and we're gonna be modding all the other cars on our
the Bloody Cat.
Yeah.
The Life of Jeremy Barrett.
Yeah.
Go subscribe. You know what I mean? I'm about to be mining this car like it's mine.
Yeah.
Appreciate you giving me your car, brother. Content, baby. You know what I mean? We're pretty much going to take his Bloody Cat and make it the new Hellcat pretty much.
Yeah, let's do it.
So, come on, that's gonna be legendary, bro. I would give you a fist bump, but I got all the belongings in my hand. And the people might actually be here to pick up the Hellcat right now, right?
Yeah, I think they're in the front.
Damn, well, there y'all go, man. Bye-bye, Hellcat.
Your car right now is gonna go to an insurance auto auction where pretty much anybody could go bid on it and buy it. So they're probably excited because that car could fetch some money, I guess.
Well, I should be able to buy my car back, can't I?
You technically can. You need probably a dealer license though, or somebody with a dealer license.
For real?
Because
So-
they didn't give you the option yet, then
No, they ain't talk to me.
yeah,
For real?
that's kind of weird. Usually they call and they might give you options, but I don't know in this case what they did.
And they finna put it on that flatbed right there?
Yeah, they don't. They're gonna take it to auction, so they unfortunately don't care about the car much. They just want to get it there.
Damn, how the hell is it gonna fit on there?
I think they're gonna
Just drag it?
pretty much, yeah, drag it and put wheelies on the back and maybe take it like that.
Yeah, that's big disrespect. You see how they doing the Hellcat? Damn, big disrespect, Vic. Damn, man. Well, there y'all go, man. I gotta call my insurance company because I want to see. Yeah. So is it too late to call them and say?
No, you could call and ask them, but in all honesty, I think it's going anyways, but you can call and ask.
Okay, yeah. What you think, bro? You think I should call them?
Just let it go.
Just let it go?
Probably, it's meant to be. It's on to the next thing. That's it.
Oh, all right, I guess so, man. Damn, everybody's so nonchalant about just letting the Hellcat just go to his death. So here we go, y'all. They got the Hellcat bumper, the ticket person. Always wanted to hand out some damn tickets in. You got the Hellcat itself, man. They about to pull it up here, man. Farewell to the damn Hellcat. How crazy is that? Damn, man. The whole front of that joint going too. It's running though. I can't believe this, y'all. This is it. The last time you're gonna hear that thing breathing. Yeah. Farewell to the Hellcat. Oh, damn, he gave us the last little pull though. Damn. There we go. Yeah, that joint definitely gonna scrape. Jeremy, this is a sad day, bro. That's the last time we're gonna hear the Hellcat sounding like that. Well, the good thing is though, your bloody cat gonna be the new Hellcat. You know what I mean? It's unfortunate, man, but you know, now I got your Hellcat. So I'm gonna build it up like I did the Hellcat, baby. It's only right, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna get it done. So just stay tuned for all the future legendary content. Got my guy Vic's Lamborghini Urus right here though. Look at with the red leather steering wheel. Damn. Go subscribe to my guys over there at RDB, man. All their links are in the description below. But hear that thing, y'all. I mean, damn. That thing sounds so good. I feel like I'm at a damn funeral, bro. They had to put down the wood board. Watch out, because that sometimes be flying from up under there. He big struggling. See, I told you. The joints be flying from up under there. Damn, he big embarrassing. Yeah, like he ain't never did this before. Mistreat my baby like that. You ought to be ashamed of yourself, man. Let's get us another shot. He's hopping back up in that thing. These people out here be going crazy, man. Look at this. Poor Hellcat. My baby. He gonna have to rock that thing up there. He about to slide the boards from up under there again. Yup. Damn. He must be big rookie. So he literally took this car off the flatbed and then put the Hellcat up there, or is trying to put it up there. So he must be about to roll this one on the back legs or something. I don't know what he planned on doing. Definitely seemed like this is definitely his first rodeo, that's for sure. I mean, why don't he just stick it up on the winch thing up there and then just pull the winch thing up and then that'll just yank the Hellcat up, you know what I mean? I don't know, this ain't my profession, so I ain't trying to tell the man how to do his job, but it don't seem like he know how to do it very well either. Damn! Damn! That joint's crazy, y'all. So I had to move the bloody cat over here after it was over there because, you know, they got, you know, small spot. They got to consistently move cars in and out of there. And while I was over there, he got the Hellcat up on the tow bed, man. Damn. Poor Hellcat, baby. Damn. Bro, did you get the footage of that joint getting up on the tow bed? Oh, I'm going to need that. So I'm not even going to lie to y'all, G-Squad. This day is much sadder. I should say this moment because every day is a good day, man. I woke up with my health, you know, my family woke up, we all blessed. Y'all blessed, y'all woke up, man, y'all here, you know what I mean? So today's definitely a good day, but this is definitely a sad moment for sure. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, like, this is pretty crazy to actually see my Hellcat get pulled off on a flatbed, and that's it for the Hellcat. R.I.P. for the Hellcat. Damn, I'm like kind of at be real with y'all at a loss for words, for real, like, I don't even know what to say. They're gonna Vic in the damn McLaren joint. That thing sounds stupid crazy. Like that exhaust, I'd be really surprised that thing don't shoot flames, because it's ridiculous. Does this shoot flames? Does it?
Sometimes.
I want to see if I can catch one. Try not to blow my damn eardrum out with it. Damn. That thing, it's smart. Oh, shit. That thing is ridiculous. I thought the Hellcat was loud. Sheesh, that thing almost blew my eardrum for real. That thing is a beast. So I'm sitting here with my brother, The Life of Jeremy Barrett. Go subscribe. And we are sitting in front of the Bloody Cat while the Hellcat gets pulled off, man. What a day, right, bro?
Exactly.
Man, we've been out all day making content, y'all. Putting the best foot forward every single day.
That's right.
But I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Sad moment with the Hellcat. I said it already, like I'm at like a loss for words, for real. Like I'm sitting there off camera talking to my brother, and I don't even know what to say. I'll just keep saying, damn, bro. Like, you know what I mean? Damn. Now I just said it again, look at that, honey. Man, but the Bloody Cat is next, man. So we pretty much about to transform this. Well, me, I know I miss my Hellcat so much, and my brother know how much I love my Hellcat, that he gave me his Hellcat, so I appreciate that, bro. And in return, I told him I'd mod this joint up for him, like, and it's gonna be fully built up like the Hellcat was, you know, with way less driving, because it's different type of time driving on this mode. That's your insurance too, man. Yeah. Mine's probably already, you know what I mean? Say what's up to him, man.
What's up?
Yeah, he watched the channel, man. G-Squad, appreciate you.
Shit.
Yeah, they taking it, man.
How'd it go?
I mean, yeah, they taking it. You know, I think it's a wrap for that. I know, man, so.
Me too.
Yeah, right?
Here's just looking at it.
Yeah, that's how, imagine me now. Like, I'm like, that's how it all started right there. You know what I mean? Now that thing's being wheeled off like it's a piece of junk.
Oh,
Ain't that crazy?
it's fucking crazy, dude.
Yeah, man, this is my brother's right here. Have you seen his channel?
Yeah, I have too, yeah.
Yeah, man, you gotta make sure you subscribe, you know what I mean?
Hellcats.
Yeah, man, we blessed, man, that's for damn sure, because we definitely grew up with the cars that's on the back of the Hellcat. That's the cars we grew up in, you know, big Ace Ventura ass whips. You know what I mean? So, it is what it is. Everything happens for a reason, man. There it goes, y'all. Damn, the Hellcat is out of here. Sheesh. Yep. Well, what can I say, y'all? Like I said, everything happens for a reason, man. They got the bumper up front, too, in front of it. Like, they want every little bit and piece that comes with that. Like, yeah, Big gonna miss the Hellcat. Damn, man. That's crazy. Well, bye-bye, baby. It's been good, man. We've had some legendary times and some great memories. Hold on, I want to run after it, y'all, man. I'm feeling so sad, man. But, man, nobody trying to film your old ass, man. Get out of here. Look at it, man. The Hellcat is out of here. Damn. Yep, there we go, y'all. Bye-bye, Hellcat. You will be missed and forever loved.